Welcome back. We have another interesting Olympiad mathematics question. We have 4 a to the power of a minus 36 raised to the power of b is equals to 28, where a and b are a positive integer. Find the value of a and b. Now let's proceed. Solution. Okay, don't forget that 4 raised to the power of a can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of a minus 36 raised to the power of b can be written as this 6 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of b is equals to 28. Okay, I can also rewrite 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of b as this 2 raised to the power of a raised to the power of 2 minus, I can also rewrite 6 raised to the power of 2 into bracket raised to the power of b. I can write it as this 6 raised to the power of b raised to the power of 2 is equals to 28. Okay, we have gotten to this point. Using the difference of 2 squared, if I have a raised to the power of b, a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, using difference of 2 squared, I'm going to have a plus b and a minus b. Have you gotten it? If I use difference of 2 squared, I'm going to get this. So let us use the same approach in this place. 2 raised to the power of a raised to the power of 2 minus 6 raised to the power of b raised to the power of 2. I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b multiplied by 2 raised to the power of a minus 6 raised to the power of b. This is difference of 2 squared equals to 28. Now I want to pay attention in this place. Don't forget that 28 can be written as 1 multiplied by 28. 28 can be also written as 2 multiplied by 14. 28 can be written as 7 multiplied by 4. Okay, now we have 3 expressions of 28. Now, which of these expressions are we going to choose? I want you to note that the left hand side of this equation will tell us the expression of 28 that we are going to use. You can see that we have 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b. The addition of even number is always an even number, and the difference between an even number is always an even number. When we raise an even number to any power, the result is always an even number. So let's take a look. We have 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b. This will always give an even number. And you can see that I have the first expression of 28 is 1 multiplied by 28. I have another number here, so therefore I'm not going to choose this. Also, I have 28 is equals to 2 multiplied by 14. Both of these are even numbers, so this is the correct answer. And if you look at the third expression, you can see that I have 7 multiplied by 4. This is also not usable because it contains what? 7, which is an odd number. So let us proceed. I have 2 raised to the power of a, 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b multiplied by 2 raised to the power of a minus 6 raised to the power of b is equals to 28. So I'm going to use this expression. So 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b, 2 raised to the power of a minus 6 raised to the power of b is equals to 2 multiplied by 14. So I'm going to have 2 multiplied by 14. Now I want to take note again in this case. You can see that 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b is larger than 2 raised to the power of a and 6 raised to the power of b. That is, the value, this value is greater than this value. So if I want to equate the left hand side of this equation to the right hand side of this equation, 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b will be equals to what? 14. Why 2 raised to the power of a minus 6 raised to the power of b will be equals to 2? Because by the time I got the value of a and b, when I substitute it into these parameters, this will be greater than this. The value of 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b will be greater than the value of 2 raised to the power of a minus 6 raised to the power of b. That is why I equate 2 raised to the power of a plus 6 raised to the power of b as 14, and this equals to 2. Now if you look at, let me call this equation 1, let me call this equation 2. Now if you look at the sign between 2 raised to the power of a and 2 raised to the power of a, it is positive. But the sign at the front of 6 raised to the power of b and 6 raised to the power of b in equation 2 is negative. So if I add up this equation, I have already eliminated b, which makes it simple. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of a. That is 2 into brackets 2 raised to the power of a is equals to 14 plus 2. That is 16. if I add plus 6 raised to the power of b minus 6 raised to the power of b, now we can easily eliminate 6 raised to the power of b because of the difference in the signs. We have positive 6 raised to the power of b in equation 1 and negative 6 raised to the power of b in equation 2. So if I add this equation, I'm going to eliminate 6 raised to the power of b. Now let us add 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of a. That is 2 into brackets 2 raised to the power of a is equals to 14 plus 2. That is 16. Divide both sides by 2. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of a is equals to 8. Don't forget that 8 can be written as 8 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. So 2 raised to the power of a is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3. Comparing the left hand side with the right hand side, a is equals to 3. So we have gotten the value of a. Now we can get the value of b by just substituting the value of a into any of these equations. Let us substitute a into equation 1. We have a is equals to 3, so I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 6 raised to the power of b is equals to 14. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, so I'm going to have 8 plus 6 raised to the power of b is equals to 14. Is equals to 14 minus 8. 6 raised to the power of b is equals to 14 minus 8 is 6. Don't forget that 6 is also the same thing as 6 raised to the power of 1. So 6 raised to the power of b is equals to 6 raised to the power of 1. Comparing the left hand side and the right hand side. So b is equals to 1. Therefore, the value of a and b in this equation is 3 and 1 respectively. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that when I drop new video, you are going to get notified.